A tank whose capacity is 0.1 meter cube contains helium at a pressure of 10 atmosphere and a temperature of 20 degrees centigrade. A rubber weather balloon is inflated with this helium. The first part is when the pressure of helium in the balloon is 1 atmosphere, its temperature is minus 40 degrees centigrade. Find the volume of the balloon. And second part is eventually the helium in the balloon absorbs heat from the air around it and returns to 20 degree centigrade. Find the volume of the helium at this time. This question appears in 2000. Answer. Now initially helium in the tank has volume V1 is equal to 0.1 meter cube at a temperature of T1 is equal to 20 degree centigrade, which can be written as 273 plus 20 is equal to 293 Kelvin, and at a pressure P1 is equal to 10 atmosphere. Now this whole helium is filled in a balloon. Now in the first part we have to calculate the volume of the balloon V2, which is at a pressure P2 is equal to 1 atmosphere and a temperature T2 is equal to 40 degrees centigrade, minus 40 degrees centigrade, which is equal to 273 minus 40, which is equal to 233 Kelvin. And the second part, this balloon returned to a temperature of 20 degrees centigrade, and then we again have to find the volume of the balloon. So V3 is unknown, where P3 pressure is again 1 atmosphere and its temperature is 20 degrees centigrade, which is equal to 273 plus 20, 293 Kelvin. Now as the number of molecules in all the three cases are same, then using ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. That implies PV by T is equal to nR, which is constant. Because number of moles remains same. Moles remains same. Now part 1. V2 is equal to P1 by P2, T2 by T1 into V1, which is equal to 10 by 1 into 233 divided by 293 into 0.1 meter cube. and it approximately comes out to be 0.795 meter cube. For the second part, again V3 is equal to P1 by P3, T3 by T1 into V1, which is equal to 10 by 1 into 293 divided by 293 into 0.1, and that is equal to 1 meter cube. Thank you.